Hi everyone, this is CodeByte number 2 and in it we will speak about dealing with relationships in Laravel while using soft delete. CodeByte is a show where I'm sharing tips and tricks that I've come across during my everyday work and experimentation. Make sure to also check the rest of the videos in the series and also subscribe for more videos. Depending on the application logic, deleting a record by mistake is sometimes fatal. In such occurrences, it is best if we employ a technique called soft delete where the actual data is not deleted. Instead, it is just being marked as deleted by a flag or a specific date field. If we later choose to, we can easily restore such record to its original state by just updating that flag. In Laravel, soft delete is supported out of the box by Eloquent. By simply adding the soft delete straight to our model, when we call its delete method, the actual record will no longer be deleted, but instead the deleted column will be set with the delete date and time. If a record has a non-null value in the deleted column, then it is considered as deleted. Let's now look at an example on how we can work with soft delete and how we can handle related models. In the example, we have two models, the example model and example child model. The example model has a has-many relationship with the child model, so for every example model we can have multiple example children that we call examples. In a controller we have two methods, one for delete and one for restore. In the delete method, whenever we are deleting a model that has a collection of related models, we almost always want to call delete on them as well. By following that order, where the main model is deleted first and its children are deleted next, the deleted add date of all of the children will be equal or bigger to the deleted date of the main model. This is really important when we want to restore a certain model and its children. By utilizing this date field, we can identify only the related models that were deleted after the main was deleted and restore only those. If we haven't done this way, we would not have a way to know what related models we've deleted with the main model and only had the option to either restore all or none. This is a really awesome little trick, and although the example is provided in Laravel, it can easily be applied to raw PHP and to other languages. If you have any examples where you have used this approach, then please let me know down in the comments. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe. I make weekly videos on electronics and code, and I'm sure you'll discover a lot more to learn. Cheers and thanks for watching.